If you have those two right there, God and hustle, when I say the world is at your fingertips, girl. Hey guys, what's poppin'? It's your girl Team Stacy and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. We're gone for a year only.
Alright guys, so if you guys don't know, I did go ahead and move into my new apartment. It's official. Your girl has moved into her first apartment. First things first, I need to thank God, because if it wasn't for him, none of this would be possible. But let's get in this elevator and bring this cleaning supplies up, because we ain't moving anything up in this unit until things are nice and clean. Now keep in mind, I am the first person to live inside of this unit, so things was already brand new, but I just wanted everything to smell like bleach and Ajax and, you know, all that good stuff. So after cleaning this house, now we're going to move stuff in. When I tell you, it was so hard to get this TV in this car, this humongous TV, but shout out to my family. They was really doing their one, y'all. I was lollygagging and playing around, chilling, and they was struggling. It was so freaking funny. Like, girl, I wasn't doing anything, okay? But I did need a lunch break. And after I ate this food, I realized I ain't have no food in this house. So I went to Trader Joe's, and I promise you, girl, I walked in and I walked right back out, because we're gonna go to that old reliable. Yeah, take me to Walmart, please. Okay, this right here, yeah, I know Walmart, okay? And then I also realized after my groceries was put up, I ain't have no bed. So I went to a furniture store and bought me a bed. And I said, can y'all tie it on top of the car, please? Put it on top of the car so I can take this home as fast as I can. And once I got home, I was like, you know what? Let me take my baby to the house, let him see, you know, peek the vibe, tell me if he like it. Y'all can see on his face, he loved it. He was like, yeah, this is nice or whatever. But after all that moving, I just wanted to wind down in my apartment. I love it. I'm so happy. And this is just all God, to be honest. I am going to be dropping a video with the moving process and a little tour and all that good stuff. So if you're interested in seeing that, definitely check that out. But in today's video, I wanted to do like a get ready with me chit chat. You know what I'm saying? Just a vibe. I think I'm going out tonight. We'll see. I really don't want to go out, but I might have to, and I'll tell you guys why. So my birthday is November 26th, which I also didn't tell you guys my birthday passed. It was just so much coming up at one time. So my birthday came, and this guy actually took me out to dinner for my birthday, and his birthday was a couple of days after mine, and I moved on the 28th. So 2 days after my birthday, I was moving. I'm just taking some Marcello water to wipe down my face. But I moved, so it's been so busy. And he called me and I was sleeping. The girl, I also muted his story because we used to talk, and then he pissed me off, so I just muted his story. So I'm not watching his story or nothing. So he was like, dang, like, you mad at me or something? Like, why you didn't watch my story? Like, you're not saying nothing to me. I'm like, what's on your story? Is something for me to see there? He was like, yeah. I was like, okay, let me go see. Girl, it's his birthday. Girl, when I saw that, I was like, because he literally showed up for me to make my birthday special. So I told him when he's done with work today, I can take him out for his birthday. So yeah, if he wants to go out, then I'm definitely gonna do that. Guys, by the way, today's gonna be like a super fast makeup glam. Like, it's not gonna be one that's gonna be like too in depth, because yeah, lately I've been doing my makeup really nice, but very fast. I just feel like with the new move and everything, I just really want to have my routine set in place before I start going out. And honestly, I can only go out if I have a dog sitter, because my dog, this is a new environment for him, and I do not need him barking or doing anything he's not supposed to do. Honestly, this new move has been the highlight of my year, and I'm just so glad that I finally did it. I was very apprehensive to move because it just felt like, you know, everybody just saying how the economy is hard and stay with your parents as long as you can, bills. I just felt like this was the best decision for me, and I'm all about growth and taking chances and taking leaps in life. And I feel like you don't really grow in certain places if you stay there too long. You gotta kind of keep moving. You don't want to move too much, but you gotta kind of keep a pace, keep a steady pace. So I felt like this move really just helped me like have some change into my life. Like, now I'm taking a new direction to work, and now I'm, you know, it's just really nice. So I'm just so freaking grateful. And I think I want to do like a sit down talking video with you guys, if you guys want it, about chasing your dreams and manifesting the life that you want. Because when I tell you, baby, this life was very much manifested. This is all God, okay? All God and all hustle. If you have those two right there, God and hustle, when I say the world is at your fingertips, girl. All the products I'm using, by the way, is going to be listed down below in the description box for you guys to purchase and just to know what I'm using. Also, I have a detailed video. If you guys want that, I will also drop that down below for you guys so you guys can see like exactly like how I do my eyebrows and how I do this and how I do that. The one thing I'm like actually looking forward to do on my channel is lifestyle content, taking you guys with me to the gym, making breakfast, opening up PR packages. Like, I'm actually really excited to do those kind of things with you guys, because I just feel like it's just I'm living the life I want. One of my favorite YouTubers on this platform is Aaliyah Space. I love her so bad. Like, she's literally my favorite. She's raw. Like, there's not much else you can say. She's just so raw. I feel like she's just so relatable, and she really lives like that black girl, like luxury, like soft life, and she just does it so well, but in a very realistic and relatable way. Like, when I watch Aaliyah, like, I don't feel bad about myself. I just feel like motivated, and I just really love that. And I know I could be that for other people as well, like, but just in a different way, because, you know, from me to Aaliyah, we're different people. We have different personalities. We display ourselves on social media different. So like, I just know like how I am is gonna resonate with somebody. So yes, for my makeup right now, I'm literally living out of like my small travel makeup bag, and I don't have a primer in here, which freaking sucks, because it is so important to prep and prime your skin, which because it just helps with your makeup lasting longer and just looking really nice. Also, if you don't know how to prep your skin and prime it, I have a video, and then I also have an ebook that's going to be launching soon that's going to help determine your skin type and everything like that. For foundation, I'm going to use the NARS, but I want to keep it very light and very soft. Like, I don't want to do like a heavy glam. I just want to give like a natural kind of glam today. I'm going to take my Il Makiage foundation brush and just buff this into my skin. Just want something nice, light, and breathable. I'm just like so like in my bliss right now. I just feel so peaceful and so happy, and I just feel like, oh my god, like, girl, like, I'm just so much more happier. Like, this is freaking crazy. God is just so freaking good. And if anybody's like going through anything right now and they just feel like they're lost, they're confused, life is not panning out how they want it to, just know that all you need to do is be still. Just know that God is coming. He hears you. He's working something out for your favor. So don't get too caught up in why not this and what's going on and why am I not da, da, da. Don't get caught up in those negative thoughts, girl. Stay positive. And I know it's easier said than done, because some days feel harder than others, you know what I mean? But you could do this. You could pull through. You can try to find the positive in things. There's a lot of people that I talk to, and they're just so negative all the time. Like, literally all the time, they're just like, oh, why? Oh my god, life sucks. Oh my god, this that. Why? Like, I don't even want to play pretend like people like that, because it's just so negative and it does nothing for your life and nothing for your future. Don't be that person. Always try to find the good in things, you know? Like, for example, my shop, you guys know I have my own makeup shop. When I get my shop rent, I haven't been doing it as much, but especially when I first got it, I want to say like the first 5 payments. Every time I got my shop rent, I used to get so excited. And most people probably be like, or, I got another rent, oh my god, I gotta pay this, I gotta whatever, you know. That's because you're living in lack. I would always get my rent, and I would just be so happy, because it just shows that I'm really doing something. Like, I'm really, because of course I probably, God forbid, I didn't have the money, and I probably wouldn't be happy to see it, but because I know like this is, even though it's going, like I'm paying for something, so it's not like sitting in my account, but this just shows my work ethic, that I've been working hard, that this is not for nothing. You know what I'm saying? Like, you have a beautiful shop where you can take your clients and do classes and work on your business or whatever you want to do. So, you know, and you just want to find joy in little things like that. Or it could be your car note. It could be just try to find joy in things that are not always so fun. You know what I mean? Like, some people, they get so angry, like, oh, I missed the light, traffic. I try never to get that upset. Of course, when I'm in a rush, I'll be like, oh my god, I need to go. I get really antsy. But anytime I miss my exit or I miss a light or something like that, I always just realize that I'm not supposed to be at this next light at this second. There's a reason why there's a delay. There's something God is saving me from, but there's a reason why I need to sit in this particular moment just a few seconds longer. You know what I mean? And it's just such a beautiful way to look at life. And I'll just say this, like, I'm not a perfect person. I have days where I'm very, very sad. I have days where I'm just like, I'm overwhelmed, I'm stressed, all the above. It is normal to go through the motions of life. That is human. It is normal to go through the motions of life. I was just telling my dad this. You want to feel your highs and really bask in it. This is like something that's negative, and I need to unlearn that. Sometimes I'll be like happy about something, and then I'll just kind of be like, I know this isn't gonna last long. Who cares if it doesn't last long? Emotions are supposed to change. They're supposed to come and go. They're supposed to, today you feel amazing and next week you feel chill and you feel like, you know, like, and then the next day you might have some sad moments. That is the beauty of life, you know? And it's easier said than done because I'm in a happy moment right now. So it's easy to understand that. But I know what it's like to be in the not so good moments and it just feels like hell and you just want to get out of it, and you will get out of it. But that's why it's so important to feel the happy moments, to really feel them. Don't let your head get in the way of it, of, oh, this isn't gonna last long. No, sit in it, be happy, be in that moment. And it's just so important. And there's this book that kind of helped me do that. It's called The Power of Now. The Power of Now has helped me tremendously with being in my present moment rather than being like, what's gonna happen later and what's gonna happen after that, and what about this, and how am I gonna feel when this happens and that happens. As you see, today's glam is very, very quick. I'm literally basically almost done. Once I pop on some lashes, this lip liner is from Urban Decay, by the way. It's called Conspiracy. It's a cute lip liner. So for lashes, let me go grab the lashes. I don't have much lashes. I need to go lash shopping. I got to work with Remedy by Ari, which I'm gonna be doing an actual full video. This is like a quick glam, like chit chat, life update a little bit. But I'm gonna go ahead and put on one of her natural pair of lashes. This is in the lash style Dreamy. Let me show you guys. It looks like this, super natural. I think that'll be perfect for the look I'm going for today. Today I just kind of want like a chill, natural glam. And I kind of like that for Ari. I like that her lashes, I was very surprised when this first launched because I was like, they're actually very natural. Like, I thought she would have more like, you know, intense lashes. So I think that was pretty cool. I think also what makes it better for me is I'm getting out of the heavy lash kind of look. Like, I'm kind of getting into more natural lashes, so I think that's made it even like better for me. Because when I first saw it, I was like, okay, that's different. Didn't see that one coming. But I wasn't interested in like getting any of them. And then when they sent me the lashes, I was already going down my journey of natural lashes, and I was like, these are cute. I think I'm gonna grab this pair. Like, I just feel like natural lashes, it just doesn't take from your look. It just enhances what you already have going on. But don't get me wrong, here and there you will see me with my big lashes, because sometimes big lashes, they're the look. Like, it looks really good. But then sometimes I want to just have a touch to my look rather than it like take the whole show. I think for the lips, I think I'm gonna have to go a little bit pink toned. I really wanted to do nude, but I guess it's good I'm not doing nude because I always do nude. So I'm just gonna take my pink shade. This is actually gonna be in my cosmetics line when I launch it. I'm launching more of a different shade though, like a more pinkish shade. This is like a pink mauve, but it's still cute. Okay guys, so this is what the look looks like, guys. So I just wanted to show you guys my makeup in like natural lighting. It looks kind of blue in here. Let's see. Okay, yeah, the living room is still looking a little blue, I think because the sun's going down a little bit. The sun is setting, but this is what the makeup is looking like. Very natural, very quick. I didn't have any setting spray. It's not here, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be doing a lot more chit chat videos because I know you guys like that. And now I have the atmosphere to do it. Like I said, if you guys want to see my move-in vlog and just me talking and a little vlog about that, definitely check that out. I have some more in-depth tutorials coming soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm just trying to figure out my setup and my vibe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below this secret emoji so I know you watch this video all the way through. I love you guys. Bye.